INVEPAR is a Brazilian group that operates in the infrastructure and transportation sectors. INVEPAR's portfolio is composed of concessions within urban mobility, airport, and highway sectors. 3 of INVEPAR's main concessions are located in Rio de Janeiro. In urban mobility, INVEPAR controls 2 metro concessionaires, Metrô Rio and Metrô Barra, that make up the subway system of the city of Rio de Janeiro, composed of 41 stations and 58 kilometers of extension. Rio's metro system is the largest private metro operation in Brazil, with approximately 224 million paying passengers in 2019. In the highway sector, INVEPAR controls LAMSA, a major urban toll road in the city of Rio de Janeiro. LAMSA extends for 17.4 kilometers and in 2019 had 41 million users.